iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max and some other variants have been spotted with hands-on look, and here we are today about to reveal it in this video. What's up guys? So iPhone 17 lineup is coming this year, probably in September. So here you are looking at the design of the iPhone 17 Pro. There are 3 cameras at the rear side, just like always we get to see in the Pro models. The camera layout has been upgraded a little bit. As you can see, the LED light, LiDAR sensor and microphone are on the right side of the camera layout. Apple has decided to remove that small camera bar, and now we will see this horizontal larger bar under the cameras, giving the Pro models all new look, which looks cool to be honest. We will come to camera specs in a bit. At the left side we have volume keys, action button and SIM tray, and on the right we have capture button and power key. The front of the phone looks also the same. We have Face ID and selfie camera sensors equipped in dynamic island, and yeah, you can see Apple still didn't work that much on anti-reflective panels. Samsung already won this game years ago. According to Mac rumors, Apple ran into some issues regarding the anti-reflective displays, and this clearly looks an excuse from Apple. Anyways, the overall design from front and sides is pretty similar with the iPhone 16 Pro, although the rear side is having some major upgrades. Talking about the base models, the iPhone 17 is having the same design as of iPhone 16, no changes at all, and yeah, that's okay. It will have 6.1 inches display size, dual cameras including a 12 megapixel and a 48 megapixel camera sensors, and the latest addition and the most awaited one, iPhone 17 Air, is having incredible design with single camera and LED flashlight. By incredible I mean the thickness. The camera sensor will be of 48 megapixel resolution, and the thickness of the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be 5.5 millimeters. Talking about the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max cameras, which are having a huge rectangular camera module this time, these 3 camera sensors on Pro models will include all 48 megapixel camera sensors, a main 48 megapixel sensor, a 48 megapixel ultra wide and a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. The A19 chipset will be fueling up the iPhone 17 Pro models, the most powerful chipset ever in a smartphone. The Pro models will have 120Hz ProMotion, which is obvious, but it will be upgraded this time. We won't have to deal with that fluctuation to 60Hz. So yeah, that thing is now kind of fixed. The whole iPhone 17 lineup is rumored to have 35 watts of fast charging this time. This is something that Apple should have worked on a while ago. The iPhone 17 Air, which will be competing against Samsung S25 Edge, is also coming along with the whole iPhone 17 lineup, and it's going to be really fun to see which one keeps up between S25 Edge and iPhone 17 Air. So that's all for the iPhone 17 lineup. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.